So we are going to actually remove the admin bar which shows on the student side of the account, right? How can I say it? We are going to actually remove it. So the first thing which we need to do is to go into our WordPress and install a plugin called what? Code Snippet. After installing the code snippet, I'm going to come here and click add snippet. I can actually name it the whatever I want. Okay, hide. So I can name something which I would remember. Hide admin bar, but I'll understand if I see the code. I paste the code. So as you can see, this part of the code hides the admin bar from non-admins. So that means a subscriber, an editor, etc. is gonna hide this whole section, and this other part of the code means it's gonna redirect every person who's going to try to access WP admin, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I have to save and activate, right? After saving and activating, right, there's no error which I've shown. Then I'm going to go back to that account. I try to, let's say, visit dashboard. You see it, the whole thing has been disappeared. I am no longer seeing anything. So this is the easy solution which you can actually do with the help of ChatGPT. You can actually achieve this. Just explain it. Just explain to ChatGPT that you want to use code snippet and you want a code that will actually perform this certain task, and it will help you and it will work. Cheers. Bye for now. Thank you for watching.